Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to add running text to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. We will walk through each essential step together so you can easily implement scrolling text on your site. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you are on the site, look for the login option placed at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this login option will allow you to access your account and continue with the editing process. After clicking the login area, you will be presented with various authentication methods. For ease of use, select the option to continue with Google. When you make this choice, you will see a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to use for accessing your WordPress site. This method streamlines the sign-in process and secures your entry to the website's backend. Once you are signed in, your next point of focus will be the Quick Links panel. In that section, locate and select the option labeled Edit Site. This option directs you to the site editor where you will perform all the necessary modifications to add a scrolling text feature. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easier to identify the various editing functionalities available to you. Within the site editor, find and click on the text that you intend to modify. This simple action allows you to open the text area where you can make the necessary customizations. After engaging with your text, shift your attention to the navigation feature. Here, you will notice an option represented by 3 dots. Selecting these 3 dots opens additional options and settings that are crucial for editing the text properly. Once you have activated the 3-dot menu, the next step is to select the option to edit as HTML. This mode allows you to directly modify the code of your text section. Editing as HTML is a vital step because it gives you the full control you need to insert specific code elements. In this case, you will be adding a marquee tool code. This particular code is responsible for your text scrolling to the right across the screen. By incorporating this code, the website will render the text in a dynamic and visually appealing manner. For those who prefer the text to scroll in the opposite direction, simply modify the code by replacing the word right with left. Adjusting the direction is a straightforward process and offers flexibility in the visual design of your website. Once you have completed the code edit, it is possible that a prompt or a small error message may appear if the code does not function as intended. In this scenario, locate and click the option labeled Resolve. This feature is designed to help you overcome any issues that might arise during the code implementation process. Following a successful resolution, move ahead by selecting the option to convert the content to blocks. Converting the text back to blocks ensures that any custom HTML is seamlessly integrated into the visual editor without losing any formatting or design functionality. Last but not least, finalize your changes by clicking on Save and View It. This final step lets you preview your website and confirm that the running text appears and scrolls as expected. By following this sequence carefully, you now have the ability to add dynamic scrolling text to your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. This detailed process provides you with both confidence and flexibility, empowering you to customize your site's design according to your creativity and vision. Enjoy the new dynamic element on your website and the enhanced user experience it delivers.